welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Helper for you. So today's my topic is what is solar power plant. So please watch the video till end. So we will start my video. Solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaic PV, indirectly using concentrated solar power, or a combination concentration solar power system use lenses or mirror and solar tracking systems to focus a large area of sunlight into a small beam. Photovoltaic cells convert light into an electric current using the photovoltaic effect. Photovoltaic was initially solely used as a source of electric for small and medium sized applications, from the calculator powered by a single solar cell to remote homes powered by an off-grid rooftop PV system. Commercial concentrated solar power plants were first developed in the 1980s. As the cost of solar electricity has fallen, the number of grid-connected solar PV systems has grown into the million and gigawatts scale. Photovoltaic power stations are being built. Solar PV is rapidly becoming an inexpensive, low carbon technology to harness renewable energy from the sun. The current largest photovoltaic power station in the world is the Pavagada Solar Park, Karnataka, India, with the generation capacity of 2050 megawatt. The International Energy Agency projected in 2014 that under its high renewables scenario by 2050, solar photovoltaic and concentrated solar power would contribute about 16 and 11% respectively of worldwide electricity consumption, and solar would be the world's largest source of electricity. Most solar installation would be in China and India. In 2019, solar power generated 2.7% of the world electricity, growing over 24% from the previous year. As of October 2020, the under unbiased levelized cost of electricity for utility scale solar power is around $36 megawatt per hour. Many industrialized nations have installed significant solar power capacity into their grids to supplement or provide an alternative to conventional energy sources, while an increasing number of less developed nations have turned to solar to reduce dependence of expensive imported fuels. Long distance transmission allow remotely reliable energy resources to displace fossil fuel consumption. Solar power plant use one of two technologies. First is photovoltaic systems and second is concentrated solar power. The first is photovoltaic system. Photovoltaic system use solar panels either on rooftop or in ground mounted solar farms, converting sunlight directly into electric power. And the second is concentrated solar power. This is the CSP, also known as concentration solar thermal. Plants use solar thermal energy to make steam, which is thereafter converted into electricity by a turbine. All the sun's rays are collected and concentrated on a boiler, by which the water of the boiler is converted into steam, and through the This turbine is rotated, the generator is connected, and in this way electricity is generated.